Hello guys and welcome to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to show you the best glitch to get as much nuts as possible. To do this glitch you need 2 people, so I'm joined here by Ace.
Hello.
So the loadout we are going to use
My arm!
Yeah, no, it breaks. Okay, so the loadout we need, we need a pickaxe and a grappler.
We're going to go to Haunted Mansion, so we need like...
You should also get a camera if you have it unlocked. It could be useful.
But I'm going to take a flashy,
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go?
Yep. I have a good way to get to Haunted Mansion without a chance of dying.
Okay. Nice. Do not enter.
Come on.
We have to be a little bit
You're
careful.
so low.
We have to be a little bit... Whoa! I almost landed on a mine.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, let's go. Up here. Okay, yeah. Should I just
gotta
get
be
up
on the
my boat?
roof. No, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, now in the forest. Follow me.
Yeah, I'm following you.
That ugly boy does not see us. Yeah, we gotta go. Just stay on the roof and follow me, okay?
Yeah. This is the best method you by doing this one time. So
You
you
just
can
need to
get
find like the...
Haunted Mansion, yeah.
I think I see it. I think it's over here. Yeah, it is.
The
It's
red light,
like
green light can escape the red light, green light anyways. Okay,
Yeah, I'm gonna
turn off the lights, yeah. Should I
No,
even...
it's-
Yeah. We have
Anyway, we're not going to get the key.
We're gonna glitch.
I don't like this.
Same.
We just gotta go through the doors and try to find the key.
Then why did you say we're not gonna go for the key? That old lady was in there. Yo,
There's no key.
yo. Oh, just look away. Where'd you go? Now's our chance. Let's try this door. Is that the key? I found it.
You did? Let's go.
Okay, so when you're back here, you have to just put it in there, then just go. Oh, I'm stuck. Now
Yeah,
mine
we're gonna
all.
mine these blue things.
Are we gonna get the blue things? Is this a dangerous area?
Okay, but you get and I'll open because it's something we need to like pick up, and I'll put it in my bag. Okay?
Yeah.
Take it.
I'll mine it. But just drop it.
Okay, now I'm back. Wait, you.
Just go like that.
I can mine.
Just pick up my pickaxe.
I can mine them, and you pick them up in your backpack. Okay? Or mine is like.
Okay, I'm gonna mine it. There we go.
Got it?
Got that. Be careful.
Where's
Look over here. Are we gonna get the red stuff? Oh! Ow.
and red stuff.
Come down. Right here. Down here. Just grapple down. if you show yourself to the heart, you'll die.
We gotta get that last one.
I see. Yeah, get that last one. Get this, get this. Yo. Get over here. Quick. Right here.
Here.
You have to fill up your backpack
I don't know if I can take so much more.
to the max.
It's so hard to move.
Ouch. Is it full?
It's full. My backpack.
Okay. Okay, take mine with my pick. Oh, right. I'm stupid.
No, because if we don't, it's not anymore. I know, bro.
Yeah, I can't move anymore. So first, we have to get a dynamite. Both gets dynamite. He's doing it now. So first, you gotta go and ignite it. Go into the settings, and then 2 seconds after you die, look, he just disconnected his Wi-Fi. You have to disconnect your Wi-Fi 2 seconds before. Then you have to leave the game. Then you have to join back. Oh, you have your stuff.
It worked.
Okay, so now he
worked.
has his stuff, and the stuff is over there. Okay, my turn.
Okay, so what do you want to do?
Yeah.
Do you know what you want to do?
Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ignite this. Then go into settings. And right here. And then let me just die. Now I disconnect my Wi-Fi. And then... Oh my god. Go out of the game. Reconnect the Wi-Fi into an company. Loading. I have my stuff. And then now.
Okay.
And now, look at this. Okay. Now we gotta sell it though. We gotta sell it. We got one bag in.
I'm just going.
Yo, there's so much in here that I'm lagging. Look how much.
I'm just gonna sell the whole bag.
Okay, you ready? Let's sell this. Okay, how much money do we get?
Let's see this.
Look at the money, guys. Look at the money. Oh, look at that money.
17, and you can do this glitch multiple
Yeah, you
times.
can do
You
it
don't need
infinite
to do
amount
only
of
one,
times.
twice, and then sell it.
Yeah, you can do it infinite.
17K.
But yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace.